So here we need to order these fractions, but these fractions have different denominators, and the easiest way to compare fractions is to find equivalent fractions so that the denominators are the same. Now if we look, our largest denominator is 24, and 24 is in the 12 times table, it's in the 8 times table, and it's in the 6 times table. So we can find equivalent fractions to 7/12, 3/8, and 5/6, which have a denominator of 24, and that will make them easier to compare. So first, let's take 7/12. 12 times 2 is 24, and what we do to the denominator, we need to do to the numerator as well, and 7 times 2 is 14. Now let's take 3/8. 8 times 3 is 24, so we need to multiply the numerator by 3 as well, and 3 times 3 is 9. Now 5/6. 6 times 4 is 24, which means we need to multiply the numerator by 4 as well, and 5 times 4 is 20. So now our fractions are easy to compare. We have 13 over 24, and we found equivalent fractions over 24 for the other fractions that we're ordering. So we can see that the smallest fraction is this one here, 9 over 24, which was equivalent to 3/8. So we know that 3/8 is our smallest fraction. Now the next smallest is 13 over 24. Then we have 14 over 24, which is equivalent to 7/12, so that's next. Which means that 5/6 is our largest fraction, because that's equivalent to 20 over 24. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.